Do you have steep, slick stairs at home or in your business? What about pets or young children? Are you often going up and down stairs in slippery socks? If any of these questions is a yes, and you're looking for a bit more peace of mind on your stairs, you need WeatherTech's American-made StairEdge. Let's take a closer look. StairEdge is a non-slip, stick-on solution that is applied to the leading edge of indoor or outdoor stair treads. Once adhered with 3M adhesive strips, this solution may help improve friction on stairs and help prevent slipping. Designed for squared-off steps, the edge of the product is rolled down smooth so as not to catch on shoes or socks. The top side features an elevated ribbed pattern that helps enhance grip. As a secondary benefit, this solution also helps shield high-traffic areas and reduce daily wear and tear. StairEdge is ideal for indoor or outdoor wood, tile, stone, or metal staircases, whether residential or commercial. This stair tread cover is easy to install and is trimmable for the perfect fit in any space. The tape used to adhere the product to the tread is water-resistant, so each StairEdge can be washed over with a mop during cleaning. Once in place, StairEdge is easy to clean and blends in with a variety of aesthetics and decor themes. StairEdge is sold in a pack of 5 and offered in 5 colors: black, brown, gray, tan, and safety yellow. It is also available in 3 sizes: 29.5 inches, 35.5 inches, and 44 inches. Choose WeatherTech StairEdge for your home or business to help enhance safety and slow down wear and tear.